Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you guys with another video. In today's video I'm going to be talking to you guys. Lord, I don't even know. Anyways, yeah, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys kind of like a personal experience, or like personal hygiene type of thing. Not really hygiene, I don't know what this would fall under, but it's pretty much all about, you know, the menstrual cycle. And I'm just gonna be blunt out here. I got my first period when I was 13, was I? Or 12, one of those two. I am now almost 13, so I've had my quite shares of menstrual cycles. So with that being said, at first I used to use pads, right? Lots of pads all the time, and mind you, I had like a real heavy flow, so I thought, I'm not sure, I don't know, it's weird. But anyways, so after, you know, using pads and stuff like that, I transitioned to tampons because they were just more easier to, you know, move around and things like that. Because pads, once a pad is full, or even once you put on a pad and the blood keeps you know, dripping on the pad, it tends to start sticking on your booty cheeks. I'm sorry to say, but I'm being totally honest. It starts sticking on your booty cheeks and your hoo-ha, kind of, sort of. So I just transitioned from there to tampons, and I've been wearing tampons for a very long time now. But then, I don't know, somehow, I don't know how I found this product, but it has changed my life. It has changed my period cycle. It has changed my period cycle to, I don't know, having this really nice, beautiful cycle. And mind you, like, I've always had cramps, like a lot of cramps all the time. However, like, ever since I, you know, decided to get this product, once I started using it, my cramps weren't as severe. I don't know what it does. Maybe it's because, like, it's like, you know, in your, kind of sits on your uterus kind of thing, or like, I don't know. I think it's because, like, it soaks up, like it sucks in the blood. So, and then the way it sits up, I think the contractions of your uterus are not as painful when you have it in. I don't know how to explain. It has just changed my mind. So I'm sure you guys want to know what I'm talking to you guys about. Okay, so pretty much I am talking to you guys about the Diva Cup. This is the life-changing game right here. This is the life changer. I bought the blue one. I don't know, I bought the I guess type 2. There is, I believe, 3 types. The first one is like if you just if you're like a teen and you just got your period, and you know, you haven't had things up in there like that. So I think that's I think that's the reason why it's a little, because it's also a little smaller. So, and then the second one is like the regular one, if you don't have, like, if you have medium flow, medium to light, or light to medium flow, you could say. And then the blue one is well, the second one is this one. So this one is for heavy cycles. So me, I bought this one because I filled out the, oh sorry, here we go, it's right on here of what, okay, so this is the sizing. Model 0 is created for 18-year-olds of age or younger. Model 1 is created so between the ages of 19 and 30 and have a medium menstrual flow. And then model 2, which is this one, is created for over the age of 30, and slash or have a heavier menstrual flow. So when I filled out, you know, like the little questionnaire that they had online, this is what they suggested that I should use, because I filled out that I have a heavy flow. But then also the second one is also if you had children as well. So if you bear children, so the Model 2 would be most likely advice for you to buy. So I think I'm gonna go back and get the Model 1, just because I feel like the first couple of times when I inserted this thing, it was uncomfortable. Like, it was kind of big. So I'm just gonna show you guys my Diva Cup, because I just have to. So we're kind of getting too personal here, but whatever. So this is the cup, right? So first of all, it comes with this box right here. It sits right on here with this thingy right there, and then it has this little, you know, tote thingy to store it in after you've used it and whatnot. So at first, when you get it, you gotta boil it in hot water for about 5 minutes, I believe it is, and then you take it out and start using it pretty much. So this is it. It's, you know, it's gummy-ish. Is that the word, gummy? Pretty much it's flexible. As you guys can see, you can, you know, do all sorts of things with it. So all right, so there's like, I believe 3 or 2 different methods that you can use to insert. The first method that I saw is the folding, I think. The folding method, like this, like that. You fold it in half this way. Sorry, let me come a little closer so you guys can see. So at first, to say you fold it in half this way, and then you can insert it that way up your, you know, vaginal canal. Or you can use this method here, tuck down method, I think it's called. You can use it, the tuck down method. This is the one that I actually use personally. So you're gonna press it down and push your index finger all the way down like that, and it's gonna create this type of entry, you could say, or this type of hole type of thing. And once you do that, this is how you take it and you insert up your vaginal canal. And once it's in there, usually they say that you can rotate it and things, but once it's in there, it's gonna pop. Okay, so the air, let me take my finger out. So this is how it's pretty much going to look like. Once it's in there, you push it in, and then once it's in there, it's going to slowly pop. So once it pops, that's how you know it's sitting. Yeah, once it pops in there, you're gonna feel it. You're gonna know that it's sitting comfortably in there, because if it's not fully popped, there's slight of an uncomfortability in there. So yeah, once it's in and it has fully popped, you're not gonna feel anything. And then this little part right here, this little so this little part right here is gonna hang out of your vagina pretty much, but you're not gonna feel it. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Okay. So once this sticks out, once you insert it the right way, once this sticks out, you're not gonna feel anything. So yeah, as I'm saying, you guys, you can wear this up to 12 hours, 11 to 12 hours, without worrying about nothing. Okay, like, this thing has really changed my life for the better. My period cycle are less painful, less disgusting, less, you know, just less of everything. Like, I don't feel disgusting, I don't feel yucky. You know, I felt pretty great now when I'm on my period. So like I said, I'm going to switch this out to I'm going to buy another one like this, but the Model 1, just because I feel like this is kind of like a little bit too big for me. Because first of all, I thought I had a heavy flow, let me tell you guys, you don't bleed that much, okay? You do not bleed that much. The first time I used it, I only bled, I want to say like, it says here, it came up to like maybe 7.5 millimeters, which is right over here. So the cup wasn't even full. And then the second day, my period lasts for like 5 days or whatever, but the second day, same thing. I bled like 7.5 millimeters, and I had it in there also overnight as well. So when I went to sleep, and then when I woke up in the morning is when I took it out, and it was the same exact spot. On the third day, however, I think maybe the third day is when I bleed the most. I don't know how my kitty cat is set up, but yeah. So the third day, this thing was like all the way up to 15 millimeters, maybe above it. It was like up to like maybe here. So that was pretty, a little bit, oof, like I thought it was gonna overflow. But yeah, so I thought it was going to overflow, but it didn't. And the way I use it, you know, after I've used it and I'm ready to take it out, I jump into the shower. So this is how I take it. In the morning, I would put it in there, like once I feel, you know, like my period is coming or whatever, I'll insert it, and then I would take it out like towards the middle of the day, and my blood isn't as much, it's only like that 7.5 millimeters type thing. So after that, I take it out and then, you know, wash it and put it back in. And so this thing will up your game of your hygiene, because with this thing, like I usually take 2 showers a day. Yeah, 2 showers a day, morning and evening, right? Before I go to sleep. But this thing had me taking, like whenever I put this in, like when I'm on my period, I've only used this twice, by the way. So, but whenever I use this, I would have to take like maybe 3 or 4 showers a day. That's just because, you know, once you take it out, like for me personally, once I take it out, I'd like to take it out when I'm in the shower, because, you know, when you're pulling it out or whatever, you know, you see the blood and whatnot, and I don't know, for me personally, I just feel like taking it out in the shower and inserting it in the shower is easier, because the shower has water and the water cleanses it, and also as you're putting it in, the water kind of like lubricates it as well, so it's less painful to insert and less painful to take it out as well. So taking it out in the shower, inserting it in the shower, the best move to go. So another thing is, once you have it in, you don't feel nothing, nada at all. It feels like as if you're just wearing a tampon pretty much, which you don't actually feel either. So that's another pro for that. The only con I would say is like the first time when you insert it, it feels, it's really uncomfortable, and you gotta struggle with it a little bit, because you gotta find the best method for you to use. Like I said, for me the best method was the folding in the middle part, and, you know, inserting it that way, because it creates a smaller hole, you could say. So yeah, that's that. Oh, okay, so I'm sure you guys want to know where you can purchase it. So pretty much it's available in, I believe, like almost all drugstores, but mostly Target. I purchased mine at Target, but I believe CVS has it too. CVS, Target, and I think maybe Walmart. I'm not sure, don't quote me, but I know for sure that Target sells these. And that's where I bought it from. It runs about like up to like $40. I think it's like $39.99 or something plus tax. It's about 40 bucks. So, but it's a great investment. It's a very great investment. It lasts you up to, I don't know how long, I believe like a year or 2, or something before you replace it, I think, something like that. Or you can even like just keep it for however long you want, just as long as you keep it you know, clean, and yeah, just as long as you keep it clean, I believe you can always you can always utilize it. And it's made out of silicone, so that's a good thing. So better than having something that can, you know, yeah, this is way better than tampons. So with this you don't get no toxic shock or anything like that. So yeah, you don't have to, with this you don't have to worry about it sticking on your booty cheeks. You don't have to worry about it sticking on your hoo-ha. You don't have no string hanging out for everyone to see when you're at the beach or whatever, or at the pool and whatnot, whatever the case is. This is really really life-changing for me. It has really helped me with my period cycle, and anything that helps me with my life, or you know, my hygiene and things like that, I'm all for it. So I honestly speaking, I recommend this Diva Cup to anyone, any woman out there, especially if you're suffering from you know, like a heavy flow, or you're suffering from like menstrual cramps and things. I'm not saying like completely like it helps 100% period cramps, but for the most part, from what I've experienced so far, it has helped me. Like, it reduced my period cramps maybe to like, maybe I want to say like 50%. Not even lying, it reduced it to like about 50% of period cramps. So I now barely, like the past, like my last cycle for example, I didn't even take, oh no, I took only one dosage of Advil. So it was only 2 tablets of Advil, and usually I'd be popping Advils like on the first day, the second day, the third day, and the fourth day sometimes. So yeah, it's very helpful. Reduce my medication intake as well, my, you know, pain medication and all that good stuff. So yeah, with that being said, that's all I have to say about it. Like, if you don't have this, go ahead and purchase your one, boo boo. Baby girl, this thing is going to change your life forever, 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 ever, ever, ever. For real, it's really gonna change your life. So go ahead and make your life easier, baby girl. Make your life easier. So yeah, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I was quite detailed enough for you guys to get the grasp or get the gist of what I'm trying to, you know, tell you guys. Yeah, so I hope, like I said, you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I will catch you guys on the next one. Go ahead and get you that Diva Cup, okay? Go into your next Target today, purchase you a Diva Cup, and thank me later. So, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell up at the top to know when I'm going to be uploading another video. And again, don't forget to comment and like this video, and yeah, also subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys on the next video. Mwah. Bye.